Hi, I'm Mia, and I recently made the move from the UK to Dubai. It was a bit of a minefield where to start, how to get my visa. I came because my partner relocated for work and I wanted to come and work here as a freelancer. So initially I tried to do the process on my own, and all sorts of issues occurred, and it's not as simple as they try and promise you it is. So I had a friend recommend me to Amir, and as soon as I reached out to him, I knew that I needed him to help me, and he made the process really easy. He sorted out everything for me. When I arrived in the airport, I had a visa, and he sorted out my Emirates ID for me too. Pretty much everything that you need to move to Dubai, Amir sorted out for me. So he's also going to help me set up a bank account as well, and health insurance. I haven't done that yet, but anything you need, he is there to answer your questions. He replies really quickly. I had an issue with my biometrics and the picture for my Emirates ID, so Amir personally picked me up and took me to sort it all out to make sure that it was all done correctly. It just really takes the pressure off, knowing that you've done everything right and to the book, and someone else is just managing all the communications, because there's a lot of different departments to speak to. So it's definitely worth every penny to get Amir to sort out the whole process for me, and he's a lovely person as well. So as you can see, I'm now living my life in Dubai thanks to Amir, and I have my Emirates ID, and I couldn't fault the whole process. I mean, I tried to do it myself. I know what it's like to try and do it yourself, and it was 1,000 times easier with Amir's help. So thank you, Amir, and I couldn't recommend him enough.